Hello and welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. Have you heard the phrase, good things can come in small packages? Well, SNAPFRESH have sent me a brilliant little thing to play with. And I'm not going to tell you exactly what it is just yet. I'm going to give you a clue first. Humour me for a moment and just think of all the things that you might use a pair of scissors for example, cardboard, cutting up the cardboard to put in the recycling bin, perhaps. Bubble wrap, I often send prizes out for our prize draw. I wrap them in bubble wrap. I have to cut them up with scissors. It can become hard work. After a while, my thumb starts to hurt. What about cutting the top off? A bag of compost material. Perhaps you make curtains or dresses and you have to cut material. Again, you might use scissors, but after a while, you really would start to get sores on your thumb, maybe a blister even. What about carpets? I've lost count of the number of carpets I've tried to cut up with scissors, or even a Stanley knife, and it's just hard work. And certainly with the scissors, I would end up with a blister on the bone of my thumb. This little tool is a cutting tool, and it's designed for making cutting things really easy. I'm going to unbox it. Now, this is not the first time that SNAPFRESH have sent me something to play with. They also sent me these brilliant little hand shears, topiary. They also come with a hedge trimming attachment. A brilliant little tool and quite a boon in my garden. And I even lend these to my mother-in-law. She's got arthritis and they're so light and easy to use. Even she can use them. So SNAPFRESH sent me those. And SNAPFRESH have sent me this little mini cutter, which we're going to unbox and assemble and have a play with, and all that material that you've just seen me cut. Let's see what's inside the box. Put those to one side, but those are my hedge trimmers, miniature hedge trimmers. And as you can see, this is a mini cutter by SNAPFRESH. On the picture there, it looks like a little pair of hair trimmers. And the contents of the box: mini cutter, extra cutting blade, a cable for charging, and a user manual. And it says on here that you can cut packages, cardboard, carpet, leather, paper, and rope. So a good selection of things, which handily I've got on my table. Right, let's get this open and see what's inside. Quite a distinctive and bright packaging colour, quite fresh, which matches the name SNAPFRESH, I suppose. Right, what have we got inside here? As it said on the box, some instruction manuals, a spare blade, and this is the device itself. There's the charging cable. Right, let's get this polythene bag off. Now, I did wonder what this would actually look like and how it would work, so that will be revealed shortly. Again, we'll put the packaging to one side, and it's a cutting blade, and you can see it looks like the material will pass through that gap there. I don't think there's any charge on it just at the moment, but yes, there is. So it looks like the material will pass through that, and that will act almost like a pair of scissors. You can imagine how that would work. Now, I'm going to read the instructions and come back to you with any key points that I can take away that I've learned. And I'm also going to get this on charge. It looks like there's a charging point here, clearly. And that light there is probably a charge indicator, but I will check the instructions and we'll have a look. Well, I'm back. Having read the instructions and charged it up, it must have already had some charge on it because it was charged up in about 5 minutes and the light on the end went green when it was charged up. The instructions, very straightforward, very easy to understand. Now, I don't have a stopwatch, but the camera is taping it, so that is a timer in itself. And I will speed this up rather than bore you to tears. But what I am going to do is I'm going to cut along this cardboard with the scissors, and then I'm going to cut along the same piece of cardboard with this tool and see if it's any quicker and any easier. Right, scissors first. Not too difficult, if I'm honest, and the time will be on the camera. Right, let's try this little mini tool. Safety first, keep your fingers away from the blade, obviously. I think we can say that was easier and quicker. Let's have another go. Right, happy with that. Tool 1, scissors nil. Right, let's try a piece of material next. Let's go with this material here. And this is that protective material that you put over your furniture when you're moving house. Right, let's try the scissors first, and I'll cut a piece the same length with the scissors. Quite hard work, it has to be said. Right, let's have a go with this tool. There might be a technique to it which I'll need to learn, but let's have a go. Isn't that amazing? Now, if that was your curtains or your dress or any fabric that you were cutting, that's easy, easy peasy. Right, I think the big test for this will be this carpet. This carpet is really quite tough. So let's have a go with the scissors on the carpet first, and then let's repeat the exercise with the tool. Incidentally, I think again, the tool won on the material. Now for the carpet. I'm going to stop there. It's hard work, and I suppose I would probably use a Stanley knife in fairness, but I've gone halfway with the scissors. The time will be on the camera. What about this? Easy. Tool has won again, obviously. Right. If you were a carpet fitter or fitting your own carpets or working with carpets or rugs or thick material anyway, I think that would be a real boon. So what do I think? Well, so far, so good. I've got a spare tool. They'll probably sell spare tools as well, and I'll put the links to this and the spare tools in the description box below this video. But I think that's brilliant. So much easier than the scissors, and I can think of dozens of applications I could use this for: weed fabric, pond liner, carpets, materials, cardboard boxes. Doesn't get much easier than that. Thank you, Ricky at SNAPFRESH, for sending me this. And don't forget, if you want to buy one, there is a link in the description box below this video. I'll see you soon for some more mini cutter adventures.